Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Interestingly, today is the first time Appa cooked sardine fish. I've never bought sardine fish before. Actually, I've never really noticed sardine fish being sold at the wet market. Huh? So this one, I actually got it from one of my online seafood supplier. Okay, very fresh. And recently when Appa went to Tokyo, I also is it Tokyo or Tokyo? I actually managed to see the live sardine fish also. Very interesting. So I'm going to fry it first. After which I will make some sauce and braise it together. I haven't decided whether I'm going to pour the sauce over or just braise it together. I will decide later. So wash the fish thoroughly. You can make few stains on the fish body if you like, and sprinkle with a little bit of salt. Then to make the sauce, I have some minced garlic, ginger, fresh coriander roots, chili, and tauchu, fermented soya bean. Heat up some oil until it started to smoke. Yeah, this is what we call smoking point, which is about 180 degrees Celsius and above. Remember what I always say when frying fish, after you put in the fish into the smoking hot oil, don't keep on flipping it, yeah? So we will fry this side, the first side, for at least about 1-2 minutes before we flip it over. This is after the first 2 minutes, yeah? We flip it over. You know, before this, Appa has only seen sardine fish through the sardine can. So we will give the other side another 2 minutes as well. This is after another 2 minutes. You can see the bubbles getting lesser and lesser. Signs of telling you it is almost there. Let me flip one last round. Appa always like to over fry my fish a little bit more just to get the charness I'm looking for. Oh, sardine fish is very round. It's not as flat as those ikan kembung. Alright, I'll give this another 30-40 seconds, then it is done. We can prepare an oil absorbing paper at the side for the fish. One by one, we were taking it out from the hot oil and put it on top of the oil absorbing paper. Yeah? Nice. First, give it some oil and heat it up. Once it is heated up, we can put in the fresh herbs that we cut just now: garlic, ginger, fresh coriander roots. I'll probably leave the chili towards the end. And of course the tauchu, yeah? Fermented soya bean. You can put in salted black bean as well, no problem. Once you start seeing the garlic started to brown, we can actually put in some filtered hot water. Let's tune down the fire now. Let's give it a bit of oyster sauce. A bit of light soya sauce. Some dark soya sauce. A bit of fine salt. A bit of sugar. A bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any envied Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. And a few dashes of white pepper, and let's raise the heat. Make sure everything is nicely dissolved, then your sauce is almost done. Let's make sure everything is nicely dissolved inside, yeah? Especially the salt and also sugar. My chicken powder can dissolve very quick, in seconds, split seconds. Ooh, super fragrant. Now I can put in the red chili. or you can use chili padi as well, up to you. Let me give you some added flavor. I have some fried garlic here. This is optional, off the fire. Basically our sauce is done. Now, you have two ways on how you can do this. You can put the fish inside to cook it for a minute or two, or you can pour this over the fish, up to you lah. Here's the fish, and I'm going to pour the sauce over it. Right? Does it look like something done by your grandma? Right, done. I hope, oh no, let me get some fresh coriander. Some fresh coriander. Appa is a fresh coriander person. All right, done. Here's my very simple sardine fish, a braised sardine fish. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.